What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this GM key fob. So this remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. I'm going to be using a quarter to open this fob. GM kind of designed this to use with a coin. If you don't have a coin handy, you can use a flathead screwdriver. But if we grab our fob and we take a look near the bottom, near the key ring, on the bottom side, we see this notch right here. What I'm going to do is put the quarter in that notch, and then I'm going to twist it like this, like I'm opening a lock with a key. So put it in that notch, make sure it's all the way in there, and then twist. And then once you get it started, you may need to put the quarter a little further in there. Twist again. And then once it's far enough apart, you can go ahead and pull it apart with your hands. And now we see our battery right here. And for this, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or even something just small enough with a point in it. We're just trying to fit in this little notch right here. Go in that little notch just to get under the edge of the battery. Get the old battery out of there. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Go ahead and snap that into place in that holder. And then go ahead and snap the two halves of the shell back together. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out. And I'd appreciate it. Thank you.